Hi there. So what we're going to do is make an Azazuke pickle using this Mizuna. And Azazuke pickles are a Japanese pickling style. It's not really a fermented pickle or a vinegar pickle, it's a salted pickle. So basically you're just mixing the vegetables with salt, and then you're usually pressing the vegetables tightly and allowing them to work very quickly with the salt, and then you use it right away. So this is just a very simple Mizuna pickle. Mizuna is traditionally done in the Azazuke style in Japan. So all we're going to use is Mizuna, and then I have some Kombu that I've rehydrated. You can buy the Kombu, already cut up into matchsticks, and then you can just hydrate it. So I'm just going to drain this, and then we're going to be using a little bit of salt, about 2 teaspoons of salt. And then one thing I'm adding this time is I have, the chili peppers that we dried this year, and so I've chopped up one of them, and we're going to mix that in. But that's optional. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm just going to drain the kombu. Kombu is just kelp. It's just dried kelp seaweed. And so then we've washed, this is about 2 bunches of Mizuna, and I've washed it and spun it, and we're going to chop it into about 1 to 2 inch lengths. I was being a little generous because I was making the video. So we just go straight into the bowl. And we're going to add in our kombu. Get everything out there. And our chili pepper. And then I'm going to go with 2 whole teaspoons just because this is a lot of Mizuna, I think. And then you're just going to mix it together. In Japan, for Azazuke pickles, and they have some other names for the pickles, they have these special Tupperwares that you can buy, and I think you can get them in the United States now, but it seems a little bit, if you're not going to make them constantly, it's probably not a wise investment. And we have limited storage space in our kitchen, so we don't need a special Japanese Tupperware. They have like these spring-loaded pressers, or like a screw that just pushes down on the vegetables. So, but all we're gonna use, and you can kind of see already that the salt has like wilted the leaves a lot, just that quickly. So, and then all we're gonna be doing is adding, some pressure. Obviously wash your hands before you do this. And then we're just gonna add the Mizuna. It doesn't want to go in there. There we go. Add the Mizuna to your jar. I was a little worried that I could get it all in here, but it's going to fit just fine. The salt has just really already softened and wilted the Mizuna a ton. Okay, got a little packer device here. Maybe I could have even gotten it into a pint jar. That would be pushing it pretty close. So the salt is going to continue to work on the vegetables and work its way out. You can see it's doing a pretty good job already. And Mizuna is really great for this because it's just really fresh and it just reacts so quickly to the salt. And I have washed a little jelly jar and filled it with water, and that's going to be my press. And so I'm just going to pop that in the fridge, and you could start using it in about 3 hours, but we'll use it tomorrow. So this is not a ferment, it's just a quick salted pickle. And you use it as a condiment with rice, or just as a side dish. It's really, fresh and nice. Okay. Thank you very much for watching.